you guys? It's Sermons94 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kitt and Karr Trans Ams from Knight Rider from the Jada Hollywood Toys line. Now, both cars are voiced by Mr. Feeney, William Daniels, and Optimus Prime, Peter Cullen. Now, what you can tell about these cars is that they both have the Knight Rider logo on the back of it. Not only that, but they're the same size and scale. Only Karr is a lot different. So you can tell that Kitt is all the way black with a red scanner, and Karr has a yellow scanner. Kitt is decked out in all black, and Karr is decked out in all black, plus a little silverish plating underneath the top of the car. They both have the same door opening closing on both of them. They both have the same rubber tires and same tires on them. Well, I hope you enjoyed that review. This has been Sermons94 doing a review of the Jada Toys 132 scale models of Kitt and Karr from Knight Rider Hollywood rides. Bye-bye.